Hello to everyone. So, okay, let me give you a shot of my beans. All right, I need to cook these maybe about an hour, maybe a little longer, even though they're canned beans. So in the meantime, I could starve, not. So what I have is a little vanilla chai tea. I got that from Dollar Tree. So the 2 cups is about 40 cents. No, about 10 cents. And then I have hazelnut coffee creamer. I got this at the dollar store as well. So I have a cheap beverage, really cheap. I don't want to spend a lot of money on my lunch. It's not necessary. And this tea is delicious. It really is. You got to try this. In the back here, I have some cola. I buy this. Okay, this is 2 liters. It cost me exactly, well, $1.05. It cost me $1.09 to buy a soda out. Okay, and in the stockpile, I stockpile peanut butter. I get these for $1. I usually buy them 2 at a time. And, you know, talking about bartering, yeah, peanut butter could be bartered. Another thing that you never really think about is peanut butter for your dogs. Your dogs are very important. Okay, so I have various crackers. But your dogs are very important. You know, in the event something happens, your dogs are going to guard you. You cannot count on a dog 100%. I've seen people intimidate pretty brave dogs, and I've also, I'm pretty sure some people can sneak past a sleeping dog, so you don't want to assume your dogs are going to protect you. I think that isn't true. It depends who attacks you, you know. Not all dogs, but you just never know about dogs. That's why you want to have a weapon. Dogs, I've seen on crime scenes, they kill the dogs as well. You know, if you don't have a weapon, you get your dog and yourself killed. And weapons can be used to barter. And then I wanted to make mention, okay, these are whole grain crackers, but this is that canned bologna. Well, let me show you in case you've never noticed it. I tried 1 can and I really like it. I will buy some more. So on my bologna sandwich, it could be a sandwich or it could be a cracker sandwich. One way to avoid running out of bread is to stockpile crackers. Crackers are good. And then I have a couple cheese bites. Okay, this salami is from the 99-cent store, and this salami is from Aldi's. So I'm not going to be starving out. And this salami is from Aldi's. And then these are from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. These crackers, I love these. I'm going to get 6. Dollar Tree. Aldi's. This is probably the best buy on salami. Good for dogs too. I'm liking the Aldi cheese. And I think I bought these at 99 cents only, and this at Walmart. And then I have a few of these little smoothie drinks for dessert. And this wasn't a very good looking application of my bologna sandwich. But these are actually good. This can also be used as fried meat with fried potatoes and eggs. It would be good. Or you can use this to make some fried rice or some bologna sandwiches or fried bologna sandwiches. I think this is 11 ounces. I find this to be really good for the prepping. So, okay, you guys, God bless you all.